Hey, what is up, YouTube? It's been brought to my attention. Well, first of all, welcome to this channel. Today, what I'm going to show you guys is how to use the can opener side. It's a manual can opener of your survival knife or the Swiss Army knife. It's been brought to my attention that many of you aren't familiar with how to use this can opener. Now, before I start using it, I'm going to let you know there's two sides of it. If you look closely, one side is beveled and the other side has a flat edge on it. The side that is beveled is the side you want facing the center of the can, like this. And you want the flat side in contact with the edge. If you go the opposite way, your knife will slip off. I mean, you might can catch it if you hold strong enough, but it will slip off, keep slipping off eventually. You want the side flat on the can and grip the lip of the can with this bottom half. And you work it around the whole can like so. And you keep walking it down. You just keep walking her down until you get as much open as you need. Depends on what you're eating. Sometimes you might just want to drain the juice out first before you open it all the way. And then you come back to opening it. Take your time, walk it down. And as once you got as much as you think you need open on the can, and you go back and raise the lid up like sometimes you might need to cut a little bit more off. But there you have it, folks. All your goodies is ready. Don't forget to wipe your knife off. Thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and as always, share this with your friends. Peace out.